everybody. This is Nerf Gun Reviews. So, what was that? Somebody screamed, but so we're walking outside. There's my doggy. Wee wee. Doggy. Why did I say wee wee? It's on the floor over here. Okay. So I got it. I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a long. Sorry. I did that on purpose because I felt so stupid. But yeah, I haven't done a video in a long time. Because I was doing other things. We went on a trip to Minnesota and everything. We also, yeah, it's been busy. I had my friend over. So I know that he could just help me do my videos, but I don't really want to. He will next time. I think. He should anyway. So let's start the review. Over here is better. I'm gonna be sitting down for this. And excuse me for one moment, because I have to go to the bathroom. Okay. I'm done. So, I'm not sure if you guys can see me right now. I'll go like this. But this is on the Sharp Shot. And the goods are it's really easy to cock back. Just pull that back, and voila. Another good is it's got this sight thingamajigger. It's a thing that you can look at to target your enemies. Another good is that the handle's really comfortable. The trigger you don't have to pull back that far. And that's about it. Another good is that, oh no, what the heck? Holy, why did I say good? But the bads is instead of just to shoot, you have to take a bullet from the front, put it in, then you can shoot. Then you're out of ammo. So this is definitely a backup weapon, or if you're like an assassin or something, or I don't know, you could like melee kill somebody. I don't know. Yeah, melee kill. Yeah, melee kill, that's what it means. I never knew what that meant. I knew what melee meant, and then it said melee kill, and I'm like, oh. But, that's about it for the bads, actually. Something that I also want to point out is, like the Quick 16, here's the Quick 16. it's got the 16 number on there. Show you something with the sharp shot. It's got the 4 on there. Can't really see it, but on the camera anyways. But yeah. And also, another thing is that I'm getting Halo Combat Evolved. So I might put up some videos of me playing that, and I'll tell you my tips and everything. But yeah, I've already bought it for the PC, so it's gonna be kind of hard to video, but I'll probably be able to do it if I can ask my dad to help me connect it to the TV, the computer to the TV. But that's not going to be for a while because it has to ship here. But sorry I haven't done a video in a long time again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!